Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be another luxury haul for you, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Thank you for joining me. I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified each time I upload, just click that bell and then you'll be part of my notification family. So guys, can I just say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart for my last video, for all the birthday wishes. It was a little bit belated, so my birthday was end of September, but thank you so much. I mean, I love that you can celebrate, and even belated birthday wishes, I very much appreciate it. So today I've got some really good pieces to show you, but this time around, this luxury haul is going to focus more on clothing. Now, I've had a lot of you ask me, Mel, can you do some sort of styling video, or you haven't done a clothing haul for a while? And I've realized I've been kind of like keeping a couple of gems in my wardrobe that I have actually got in, but I just haven't done a haul for it. So I don't know if you've noticed, guys, but I am looking a little bit more formal today. That's because I have just come from work, so sorry if I'm looking a little bit tired, but that does not dampen my spirits at all because I'm excited to try all these goodies for you. Today's video, I have partnered up with a brand called Lilysilk, and they have kindly sponsored this video. It's really important to me that I'm very transparent with you guys. Just really briefly, Lilysilk is an online company, and what I love about them is that they have a range of clothing, so women's, kids, bedding, which silk bedding is just so luxurious, and also sleepwear. So they specialize in silk, and they've been doing it for years. And you know, I always like to research a little bit into the companies because that's just what I do. So it's good to see that they've been featured in some of the fashion magazines as well. Guys, I just love silk. I own a lot of silk items myself, and actually I do want to share that the items that they sent me, all of them I selected. So I didn't just pick from their bestseller list. I wanted to pick a range from different categories because I wanted to, one, test it out, and two, test out things that may have had a lot of reviews, but items that may not have had a lot of reviews too. And even though the company had reached out to me a couple of times, and guys, a lot of companies reach out to me, but I would say more than 90% of the time I actually say no. But the reason why this company I actually said yes was because I said to them, if you send me the items and I don't like the quality, I need to let you know that I won't make the video. And other brands, and I need to be honest, they will be like, oh no, sorry. But this brand was like, we appreciate your honesty. We can see that you value the trust between you and your subscribers. So they were willing to do that. So I was like, yep, that's fine. And can I just say, I am really happy with the items that I've got. If you guys know my style, I am quite girly, but then I love casual as well in terms of like jeans. I'm a big jeans girl. I love floral, I love lace, I love silk, I love dresses. So that's a mix of all my styles. And so a lot of you wanted to see me style up different outfits. And so we're going to stand up. I'm going to take you through the rack because I'm going to show you some of the new things I got in my wardrobe. So it's not just some of the silk pieces, but I've got some really good designer items to show you that I picked up at such good prices. And this is going to apply to all my Southern Hemisphere followers because we are in spring, but especially with Melbourne, we can have like 4 seasons in a day. And all these looks can actually apply for fall because I know you guys in the Northern Hemisphere, it is fall, which is actually my favorite season. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to style them up with my designer shoes and my bags because you guys wanted to see how I put the looks together. I'm going to reveal all the prices, very important. And I'm also going to tell you why I picked to invest in the designer items I did. I know not all of you are sort of into designer ready to wear, but I do think certain key pieces really can elevate your look. So I'll also explain why I picked those items because I am investing in more and more designer ready to wear. Though, of course, I will still mix it in with high street and vintage because that's just what I love. Anyway, so let's get started. So let's start off with the first couple of items, which I'm wearing now. And both these items are from Lilysilk. I totally forgot to mention, guys, and this is very important, Lilysilk are actually having a sale at the moment, but on top of the sale items, so all these pieces are on sale, but you get an extra 15% off everything site-wide if you enter my code MIM15. So I will link everything down below, the sizing, the items that I got, And don't forget to use my code if you want 15% off, because it is 15% off on top of the sale price. So the first thing that I chose was I really want to try out their silk shirts because these had amazing reviews and I love it. I have a black silk blouse, so I wanted a white one, hence why I picked this white one. And I wore this to work today. I loved it. In terms of this skirt, I really liked the ruffle detail here. And how gorgeous is this sort of rust burnt orange color? I think it's great for fall. It's great for, actually, I think this skirt you could wear all year round because it's one of those sort of neutral colors. One thing that I really like about silk, besides the obvious fact that it's so soft on your skin and it's luxurious, but did you know that it's actually hypoallergenic too? A lot of people don't know that. And I've owned silk items for so many years, and it's not as hard as you think to care for. You just need to care for it properly. Oh, and it's non-static. But this, besides this, I know it looks very like worky. For those of you that may not work in an office or see customers, I would wear this with jeans as well and just tie it. That looks really nice as well. And I like that it's all, the buttons are all concealed. For work today, I've paired them with my Chanel Mules with the pearl detail, and I was using my Givenchy Antigona bag. This is in size small in the goat skin. So this is one of my favorite bags to use. You guys know that. And I was also wearing a grey jacket. So a very chic sort of office sort of look, but still something that I can transition from work, and I feel very comfortable going to dinner in this outfit as well. So next, I want to save a little bit of time, guys. I've already put on the whole outfit, but the item that I'm talking about is this gorgeous yellow silk wrap dress. You guys know that I'm a big fan of dresses and I love the wrap style. I find it very, very flattering on all different shapes and sizes. Anyway, I love this particular one because I love yellow, and I think yellow works really well, not just in spring and summer, but it works really well in fall. So what I've done is I've paired it with a long sleeve sort of like dark maroon top. And for fall, all I would do is put it on like a floppy hat. I've got my Dior ankle boots on here, but really any black ankle boots would work. And that screams fall to me. And right now, Melbourne can't decide whether it wants to be spring or fall. So I could even rock this right now. And the bag that I would use is my YSL Kate tassel bag. This is an all leather bag, but it is in faux crop print. And I would pair it with this. And then as the weather warms up, obviously I would ditch the hat, I would ditch the long sleeve, and this dress is just so beautiful on its own. I love that it's got the adjustable strap, and more importantly, it sort of covers up. You don't need to wear anything else inside. It covers, you know, this area up. You can pair it with some sandal and wedges, and it makes a great spring summer dress too. So next is one of the pieces that I think is so versatile and everyone definitely needs in their wardrobe, and I'm talking about like a silk camisole. I wear these to death. I wear it as layering pieces. I wear it to the office. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I'll show you how I pair it with my new purchase from Balmain in a second. But the one that I got from Lilysilk was the 4-pack. So it comes in black, white, gorgeous yellow, and this pink. Though if you want, you can just buy the black and white as a 2-pack and then the yellow and pink as a 2-pack as well. And I actually love that it's not super tight. I like that you can wear it loose like this, and then if you want to tuck it in and you wanted a bit more of a fitted look, that works as well. I forgot to mention, guys, everything that I did buy from Lilysilk was a size S, but they've got all the measurements and everything. And for reference, I'm about 164 centimeters tall. I'm a Australian 8 or US 4. So I just wanted to let you know. So let me show you my next purchase, which I'm going to pair with this outfit. And it is a Balmain blazer. I think if you do want to invest in designer ready-to-wear, you should invest in pieces that are quite synonymous with the label. When people see this, they just think Balmain. Obviously, there are dupes out there, and there have been many designers that have made things similar. But once you see an actual Balmain blazer, I just think the cut, the quality of the buttons, the material, it just sets it apart. It is more of an investment. But guys, let me tell you what I paid for this. So in Australia, this ranges from anywhere from $2,500 to $2,800. You're thinking, ooh, that's pretty steep. But Balmain have had this blazer for years and people love it so much that they've got like colors in them. I already own this in a black wool version. I bought this from Matches Fashion a couple of months ago when they had a sale, and then they had an additional 20% off the sale. So I ended up paying $1,200. So it was more than, I think it was like 60% off retail price. So that's always something to look out for in the sales. This particular version is not the classic wool version. It is a thicker fabric. It's sort of like a cotton blend. Hence why I went up a size. So with Balmain blazers, they are quite fitted and they're quite slim. So in my black one, for reference, I bought a size 36, but in this one I bought a 38. And I don't know if it's going to pick up, but it's actually a very, very light pink. And my black one was black and gold, so I really wanted one that was silver. And the reason why this one I went up a size is because the material's thicker. Therefore, if I wanted to button it up, I needed this sort of size. So that is my Balmain blazer. I love the accentuated shoulders. Not everyone does, but I like the, not accentuated, the exaggerated shoulders. And the bag that I would pair it with is quite a statement bag. It is my light pink Miu Miu lady bag with all the jewel detail. And because it's got so many colored gems, it kind of just works with this outfit. I've also got my Giavinto Rossi plexi heels, which are pretty comfortable. And that is how I would pair Mel's sort of casual look. Well, it's probably not that casual. You guys know from my wish list, I've been wanting to add one, so I finally did. I do think it's worth the investment if you guys want to add a designer piece. And this camisole is just perfect underneath. So next is my first D&G blouse. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this blouse already. And it is this gorgeous sheer, I think it's actually silk blouse too. I told you I love silk. So as I was saying about Balmain, Balmain's known for their blazers. D&G are known for color, for their florals, for their fruits, for their Maiolica print, which I have shoes, which I adore. And even though each season may vary slightly, something like this is just not going to go out of style. Even if this wasn't D&G, florals, I don't ever see them going out of fashion. So for me, this was a very sort of safe classic buy. This also coupled with the fact that it was 50% off its recommended retail price and then a further 20% off the price. I think I ended up paying about $600-ish for this blouse. I just really like it. I like that if I put my hair up, it's got this big D&G, but if I put my hair down, it's just very subtle. And I'm not trying to scream D&G. I just love florals, as you guys know. So I'll insert a couple of pictures here of me wearing this outfit, but I did wear it with my Malachite Birkin. And when you have florals like this, you can pick up any color from it. So this blouse was just such a great buy, and I can see myself wearing this for many years to come. Next is actually something that I am excited about, and it's something for my husband, it's something for my son, and you know what? I can even wear it too. So that is what I call value for money. You know how I said with my hubby, he's not really into designer, but he's starting to wear more designer accessories. But one thing that he does like is jackets, and my son loves jackets. So let me show you this jacket. This is a denim jacket. It is from Dior. So it says Christian Dior Atelier. And this jacket sold out so quickly in the Dior boutique. Funny enough, guys, I actually did not buy it from Dior. I bought it from Sneaker Boy in Chadstone. I was actually really surprised that they actually stocked Dior. But it is genuine Dior, by the way. And I actually paid for it in Dior, but they couldn't end up getting the size. Let me tell you what size we ended up going with. It is a size 48 men's, and I am going to get hubby to try it on. It looks so good on him, and for me, I can just drape it over my shoulders and wear it as an oversized jacket too. And one thing, as you guys know, denim jackets are not going to go out, and people are investing in Balenciaga denim jackets. So I think with Dior as well, I just don't see this sort of going out. It's quite a classic piece, and it's just got really Christian Dior on it. And plus, 3 of us can wear it. So I was really happy with that. And the price of this was 1,300 Australian dollars. So I think that was pretty good for Dior pricing. So I'm just so happy that he has something, my son has something, we can all share it. And last of all, and I'm really excited about this one was definitely the most expensive. It is something from YSL. And my Teresa in September had take 30% off their already reduced items. I saw this piece full price and it was $6,145. I know you guys are dying, right? Let me show you what it is. I am wearing an all black outfit. This is just my black coated denim jeans. Oh, if I find the same or anything similar with anything, I will link it below as well. So I've got the black Lilysilk cami, as I said, so versatile. Guys, look at this. This is the YSL applique leather jacket. It is heavy duty leather. Let me show you all the sort of patchwork. So it's got, you know, YSL there. It's got sort of this university badge. It's got patches on the arms. Look at that little French bulldog. It's so cute. Patches on the back. This, you're thinking, wow, Mel, this is quite edgy for you. But I told you guys, sometimes I'm really girly, sometimes I'm really casual. I love a good leather jacket. YSL, again, why did I pick this? YSL are known for their leather jackets. And when I saw this, and at the price it was, as I said, it was 50% off, then it got a further 30% off. I ended up getting it for about $2,500. Yes, still very expensive. But for a YSL jacket, I don't think a leather jacket is going to go out of style. This is something I want to hand down to my daughter. Isn't it going to be cool? I'm going to, you know, she's got a vintage YSL, you know, 2018 jacket. I can just see this already on her when she's older. I love vintage pieces as well. I've actually got a vintage leather jacket. So I just love this piece. Let me try it on for you. It does run small. I think I saw one more. If I see it, I will link it below. I think the sale has finished, but as I said, they sold out. So if you were after one of these, it's your chance to get it now. It's very fitted, but I just think it's so cool. So as I said, maybe I wouldn't tuck my, as I said, I won't tuck this in. But this is all black sort of look, because I think this looks really nice all black. But I would pair this with a dress as well to toughen up the look. And I've got, matching with the theme, my YSL opium heels, which are really comfortable, and even though they're quite high, I really like them. Definitely a statement heel. And then with an all black outfit, what I would pair it with is my Gucci Marmont velvet bag. This bag has been so popular for Gucci. I can understand why. I love a little bit of velvet. Obviously, I haven't worn it yet, so excuse all these, you know, tags. But a coloured bag with an all black outfit really pops, so I think that goes really well. So what do you guys think of my new leather jacket? Did you think, wow, Mel, that's not quite your style? I actually just really love it, and I think it definitely adds something fun to my collection. So guys, that is it for my designer / luxury clothing haul. Tell me if you like these type of videos. Do you like sort of more fashion and a bit of styling, and like how I paired all this? I have done something similar before with high street brands, but I am, as I said, starting to invest in more designer ready-to-wear. So if you are interested in more fashion videos, please do comment below, or suggestions on what you would like me to include in future fashion videos. Please let me know. Your feedback and your comments mean so much to me, and I take everything on board, and I just want you guys to know that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got everything that I can possibly link. I will link down below. Thank you so much, and get ready and stay tuned for the 100K giveaway, which is coming up very soon. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.